Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can import AliExpress products to your Shopify store just like I did. Now the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. I'm going to do that right now. Now next thing you want to do, guys, to import products from AliExpress to Shopify is you want to download this app. It's called Deezers, okay? Like we do with this app, you won't be able to import AliExpress products to Shopify. Now the first thing you want to do, guys, like I said, is to download this app. Click on apps in the left. And then you want to search for Deezers. Deezers. This is how you type the name of the app. Click enter, and it will take you directly to Shopify App Store. And this is the app that we want to download. As you can see, it's called Deezers. Click on it, and it says Deezers AliExpress Dropshipping. Now, next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on Add App, as you can see. And after that, guys, you want to click on Install App. In the top right, you want to click on Install App. Alright, now the next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on Register Yourself. See, it just asks you if you want to register or if you want to create an account. Like I prefer to click on Register Yourself. And here you have to enter the information. For example, I'm going to enter this one. So that you can create a Deezers account. I'm going to enter this password, click on create account. And it says here email has been registered, please sign in. Now I'm going to click on sign in because I already have this email. Now you want to click on sign in, and then for me I will click on login because I already have an account. So after you sign in for Deezers, this is how Deezers look. This is very quick and easy. I'm going to show you how you can import products from AliExpress to Shopify right now. Now the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on home. Okay, in the top left you want to click on home, and then you want to click on Chrome extension. Okay, as you can see, Chrome extension, and it will take you directly to web store, and you have to download this extension. For this to work, you need to download this extension. Click on add to Chrome, and then click add extension. Now next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on that extension. Okay, you have to pin it first, like click on this pin and then pin the extension in the top, and then you want to click on the extension and then click on, as it says here, please log in to Deezers and try again. Click on Deezers, and you have to log in. Click on log in the top right, and then click on log in. Now the second thing you want to do, guys, now is to go to AliExpress. Okay, now open AliExpress and select the product that you want to import to your Deezers, so that we can import it from Deezers to Shopify. I'm going to show you how you can do that. Now first, select the product, search for it or select it. Now after that, you want to scroll down a little bit. And if you scroll down under buy and add to cart, you will find here add to Deezers. Click on add to Deezers. And as you can see on the top, it says here importing AliExpress product import success. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to go to your Deezers account and click on import list, as you can see. And here you will find the product. Just wait. And as you can see, this is the product. Now before you list anything, before you push the product to Shopify, click on Deezers in the top. First you wanna, before you do that, you wanna click first on this edit product here. As you can see, this pin, and then you can edit. If you want, you can delete a specific variation. For example, you don't want to list the item with a lot of variations. You can do that. You can customize this. You can delete something in the description if you want. You can delete something in the images, shipping info. Now you want to select the country here where it says shipping info. You want to select the country that you want to target with your Shopify store. So I want to target United States. Click United States. And as you can see, this product offers free shipping to United States. Now you want to click on save at the very bottom left, by the very bottom right, I'm sorry. After you click on save, what you want to do, guys, next you want to click on where it says push to Shopify. As you can see, it says there push to Shopify, and you want to click also publish to online store, as you can see. and then select the store that you want. For example, I'm going to select this store. Okay, if you have only one store, you won't have to select anything. Just click on push to Shopify. Okay, now after you click on push to Shopify, what you want to do, guys, next you will find the product on your Shopify store, and now you can edit the product. You can edit anything you want. I'm going to go to my Shopify store right now, and I'm going to click on products, and this is the product that we have imported from AliExpress. Click on it, and now you can change a lot of things, including the images, the variations. You can do a lot of things, like you can change product category, you can change the title, and that's exactly, guys, how you can. And if you click, guys, in the top right, you will find here where you can change the price of the item. If you click here, as you can see, you will find here where you can change the cost. You can change anything. Now, if you have any questions about this, you don't understand anything, you are wondering about something, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video. Now, that's exactly how you can import products from AliExpress to Shopify. See you guys next video. Have a good day.